Sadness is a common experience that can range from feeling blue to clinical depression, and while some sadness is normal, persistent feelings can lead to emotional and physical issues. To manage sadness, consider altering your thought patterns, making lifestyle changes, or seeking professional help. Avoid ruminating as it can intensify negative feelings. Instead, focus on problem solving, practice positive self-reflection, and learn to forgive to foster a more positive mindset. Additionally, managing stress through organization and uplifting activities, surrounding yourself with positive individuals, engaging in regular exercise, and exploring meditation can enhance your mood. Treating yourself to massages, maintaining proper nutrition, and steering clear of alcohol and drugs are also crucial steps to combat sadness and improve overall well-being.